everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on duck. Ducks are birds that like to swim in water. They have flat, wide feet that help them paddle. Ducks comes in different types and colors like brown, white and green. They eat things like plants, bugs and small fish. Male ducks often make a sound called quack to communicate. Female ducks lay eggs in nests made of grass and feathers. Ducklings are baby ducks that hatch from eggs. They follow their mother around and learn how to swim and find food. People sometimes keep ducks on farms for their eggs and meat. Ducks are cute animals that waddle on land and glide on water. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.